What nobody tells you about why universities are quietly replacing human announcers with AI to read graduate names. Graduation is the ultimate milestone, but for decades, it's had one massive, cringeworthy flaw: mispronounced names. We've all seen the viral videos of presenters completely butchering unique or cultural names, turning a proud family moment into an awkward, viral meme. It's incredibly stressful for the faculty, and honestly, it's heartbreaking for the students. To fix this, schools are turning to advanced speech-to-speech AI. Here is how it actually works. Weeks before the ceremony, graduates log into a portal and record themselves pronouncing their own names. But the AI doesn't just play that low-quality smartphone recording back over the stadium speakers. Instead, a voice cloning AI analyzes the student's pronunciation, matches it against phonetic databases, and generates a flawless audio file using a pre-recorded, professional announcer's voice. In a recent case study, one major university used this exact technology to generate 5,000 perfect name pronunciations in under an hour. The result? Every single student got their name read with the exact same level of prestige, dignity, and perfect accentuation, regardless of their cultural background. So the real reason schools are adopting this isn't just about speed. It is about eliminating human bias and ensuring that the most important 3 seconds of your academic life are absolutely flawless. Follow for more explainers.